Before we begin our lesson 3, module 4, let me briefly introduce you to the different visual representation of a data set. So first of all, we have a histogram, which is a visual representation of a data set that uses bars to show the frequency of the items in the data set. So we have bars representing, for in this case, it's mileage of new cars at a dealership. So mileage and numbers of cars. So the first bar right here tells us that 20 to 29, I know it's 30, but 30 counts from the second bar. So it's 20 to 29 mileage. There are 4 cars, okay, that has the mileage of 20 to 29. And the second one would be 30 to 39. There are 5 cars, okay, and so on. So that's how you would look at the histogram. The next one, we have a dot plot, which that uses a number line to show the frequencies of data values. So it's a number line, and you are putting an X or any marks, like a circle or anything that you would like to represent the frequency. So it has like 2 of the 24 grams of the soil sample. There's 17. There's 117 here, 130, and so on. Okay. Next up is box and whisker plot. It's a visual display of data that organizes the data values into 4 groups using the upper and lower bounds. In other words, it's a minimum and the maximum, the median, which is the middle number from your data set, and the upper and lower quartile. So basically, lower quartile is the middle number from the lower half, and the upper quartile is the median or the middle number from the upper half. Okay, so half meaning like the median is going to be your middle number. And from that, you're going to divide it by half. So the middle number from your lower half would be your lower quartile, or it's same thing as Q1. And this would be Q3, which is the upper quartile. And the last number would be your maximum, the highest number from your data set. And the minimum is the lowest number from your data set. So this is box and whisker plot, okay? And the next one would be stem and leaf plot. And a stem and leaf plot is a visual display of data that is organized by digits. So each data value is separated into a stem and a leaf. The leading digits of the data value are represented by the stem, and the last digit is represented by the leaf. So right here, this is a stem and leaf plot where this is these are the stems and the leaves. So here's a key. So 7 with this right here, and 3. This represents that this is a 73. So in this case, it would be 55, 62, 73, 75. So you're taking this stem for each digit. So 76, 79. This would be 80, 83, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, and so on. Okay, so these were the test scores for this, and we just put it like this in a stem and leaf plot.